Hello and welcome to another update video about GMX. Quick update here, our support level has not broken so far, so the valid setup that we discussed in the previous video, well the setup is still valid, I wanted to say, right? So the setup is still valid, we're still looking here at a potential 1-2 setup. I've got a potential 5-wave move up into the July highs here. We had a 5-wave move up, disregard this wick. I can only see that on the CoinEx chart. I'm still planning to move to another data set because of the sometimes inaccuracies here on this one. But still, I've got a 5-wave move up, and I am before I tracked an ABC structure. However, due to this move up here and this move down, I'm now tracking a WXY. So it has morphed from an ABC into a WXY structure. Not a problem. It doesn't change anything to support. And the only difference is now obviously that this was an A wave, this was a B wave, and this here is now a C wave. Could get one more low, yeah. And if it gets one, it should land somewhere around $45 as it seems. But it is also possible it has already bottomed. What I'm watching for is a bullish reaction above $45. If the $45 level breaks, then this setup is also likely broken. It still has theoretically the chance to recover as long as it doesn't break below 41.50, which is the beginning of the wave 1, because such a wave 2 is not allowed to retrace more than 100% of the wave 1. But typically, we don't want it to retrace more than the 78.6 retracement, okay? So 100% retracement is official invalidation. For me, based on experience and everything, my take is that typically these setups start to fail below the 78.6 fib level. That doesn't mean I would set a stop directly below 45. It will depend a little bit on the structure. If I'm thinking we might get only one more low and it will hold eventually, then I may not stop out. But yeah, it's sort of a little bit subjective. But generally, it doesn't harm to leave altcoin trades a little bit more space. That means it may be worth to scale down size-wise, because if you move a stop loss further away, you of course have to adjust your position size, but that should be straightforward, because sometimes you can get these volatile, very quick moves and waves go into their extremes without invalidation. You need to remember, we're not here in the stock market. We're not dealing with gold, or we're not dealing with any slow moving assets like gold, silver, or anything. We're dealing with the very volatile altcoins, and especially if you then deal with an altcoin that is not one of the top 10 altcoins or so, you get some more inaccuracies. It is just what it is. That's also why I don't like to go too micro in the micro count. Yeah, we don't want to dive too much into the detail, but I think this is sort of my best take of this chart at the moment, that we have a 5-wave move to the upside, and that we're dealing here with a WXY structure, and the Y wave consists of ABC. And if I'm looking at the Fibonacci extensions, so we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, then the 1-to-1 ratio of A equals C takes us to $45. So that's what I mean, if it gets one more low, it should land at 45, and then it has a chance to turn around there. Maybe it's already turning around. It's not very clear. Looking at the microstructure, important is always that the C wave ends below the A wave low. Then we have already potential signs that a low is in place. So what would I need to see that we say? What would I need to see to say that the low is in? Well, I need to see a break above 57.50 to have decent probabilities for that. Okay. Yeah, that's my update about GMX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.